Hello, children. Children, today we are going to start with a new lesson of English Reader. So, take out your English Reader books. Take out page number 37. On that page, lesson number 5, The Brave Tailor. This lesson we are going to read today. So, let's start reading with this lesson. Long ago, a wicked giant came into a kingdom. Now, what is the meaning of wicked? I have written the meanings over there, children. You can write in your books also. So, the meaning of wicked is evil or bad. And the meaning of giant is a large, strong person. So, a wicked giant came into the kingdom. He troubled people and destroyed their homes. What did he used to do? He used to trouble, he used to make the people upset, and he used to damage the homes of the people. The meaning of troubled is to make somebody upset, and the meaning of destroyed is to damage. He used to destroy the homes of the people, and in this way he used to upset them, he used to trouble them. Many brave men tried to stop him but failed. Many people tried to stop that giant from doing all these things, for harming the people, but they failed. One day, the king announced a reward for the person who could defeat the evil giant. One day, what happened? After all this, the king decided that I will give a reward to that person who will defeat the giant. The meaning of reward is that if you will do something good, you will get a reward in return. Na? So that is called the reward. Means if you, like suppose your parents say that you come first in the class, what will happen? You will study hard, and then you will, if you come first in the class, your parents give you a bicycle. So that is the reward for you? Yes. So what did the king do? He announced a reward for the person who would defeat the evil giant. The meaning of defeat is written there, to win against somebody. To win against somebody. Like suppose the meaning of defeat is, like suppose you are playing a match. Two teams are playing the match. Suppose if one team wins the match, the other team will lose the match. Yes. So means suppose you are in the winning teams, means you are defeating the other team. So that is the meaning of defeat. Zed was a tailor. He was young and wise. Wise means intelligent. He was having the ability to take good decisions at the right time. The meaning of wise is written there, having the ability to make good decisions. This Zed, who was a tailor by profession, he was very young and he was wise. Though he was young, but he was wise. He was having the capability to take good decisions, to take the right decisions at the right time. He went to the king and said, Your Highness, I can defeat the giant. Then what did he do? He went to the king and then he said, Your Highness. Your Highness means like some words are used to give respect to somebody. So Zed wanted to give respect to the king. So then he told, Your Highness, I can defeat the giant, that I will defeat the giant. He told the king. Who told the king? Zed. Zed told the king that I can defeat the giant. The king laughed. Zed, you are still so young. How can you fight a big giant? Then the king started laughing. Zed, how can you defeat a giant? You are so young and that giant is so huge, so large. How can you defeat that big giant? By using my brain, O king, bowed Zed. Then the Zed replied to the king that I will use my brain. I will use my common sense. Then I will defeat the giant. Bowed. What is the meaning of bowed? Bowed means to bend your head to show respect. Now the king was sitting over there on the throne. And then for showing respect, Zed bowed his head. He bent his head to show respect to the king. Then we need your help, said the king. Then the king told Zed, okay then, if you can use your brain, with your smartness you can defeat the king, then obviously we need your help. Zed put a bird into one pocket. He put some cottage cheese into the other. Then he set off to find the giant. Then what did Z do after that? Z, he put in one pocket he put a bird, and in the other pocket he put the cottage cheese. You children, you know what is cottage cheese? That is soft white cheese which you eat. That is called cottage cheese. In one pocket he's put a bird, and in the other pocket he has put a cottage cheese. Then he set off to find the giant. Then after that, set off means then he went from there to look for the giant. Ha, said the giant, you do not scare me. I can squeeze water out of stone. Then what happened? When Zed found the giant, then what did the giant tell Zed after that? The giant told, you have come to scare me, to make me afraid. The meaning of scare means to make someone afraid. So then the giant told Zed that, have you come here to scare me? Ha ha ha, no, I'm not afraid of you. Then he told Zed that I can squeeze water even out of the stone. Squeeze means like if you press something hard, something comes out of it. Okay, like suppose children, I will give you an example of a rasagulla. If you hold the rasagulla tightly in your hand and if you will squeeze it, what will happen? The water will drip from the rasagulla? Yes. So in the same way, the giant told Zed that I can squeeze water out of the stone also. Can you? Then the giant asked Zed, can you do that? He picked up a small stone and squeezed it hard. Water dripped through his fingers. Then what did the giant do? He picked up a stone and he held it in his hand, and then he squeezed it hard. And as a result of it, what happened? Water started dripping out of the fingers of the giant. Dripped means to fall in small drops. The water started falling in small drops out of the hands of the giant when he squeezed that stone very hard. Now let's move on to the next page, page number 38. That's easy, said Zed, taking the cheese out of his pocket. After that, Zed told, oh, that's very easy. I can also do it. Then he took out that cottage cheese out of his pocket. He squeezed it. Water flowed out to the grass. Then, after holding that cottage cheese in his hand, he squeezed it. He pressed it hard. And then what happened? Water started dripping out of the hands of Zed also. And that water started falling on the grass. The giant stood up. But can you do this? He threw a stone high in the air. It took some time to fall to the ground. Then, after looking at this, when this Zed has squeezed out water from that cottage cheese, the giant was shocked to see that. Then the giant stood up. He was a little bit angry at that time. Then he told Zed, oh, can you do this? Then what did the giant do? He picked up one stone and he threw that stone high up in the air. And he threw that stone with such a great force that the stone took some time to fall back on the ground. Zed took the bird out of his pocket. He threw it high into the sky. The giant waited for it to fall, but the bird had flown away. Now what did Zed do then to give answer to the giant? Zed took out a bird out of his pocket. Then he threw it high into the sky. But did the bird fall back? No. Children, you all know that the birds can fly. Once you will make them free, obviously they will fly away. They won't come back. So Zed threw that bird high into the sky, and what happened? The giant was still waiting for that thing to come back. But that bird did not come back. It had flown away. Children, in the next video, I will explain you the remaining lesson. Thank you.